Ew.
Alright, we're currently going up in the elevator to the 38th floor at the Rio. Okie dokie, so today we're at the Rio. I booked what is known as the premium suite. It has 2 queen beds. I have the strip view, and it cost me a total of $98. That includes all the fees, resort fees, and taxes and everything like that. In a recent video, I actually spent some time here. I talked about the comedy club and showed a little bit of the casino, and we also played mini golf here. In their arcade area, they have mini golf. So this will be the first time I'm staying at the Rio since moving to Vegas. I remember the first time I ever stayed in Vegas ever, I was at the Rio and I had a standard room. And the room is great. And now here, what we booked is $30 a night more expensive than the standard room. I wanted to book something a little bit nicer, but to be honest, this place is a mess. Okay, so, you know, if you're trying to save money, it's understandable you're not gonna have the nicest room ever, but you at least want it to be clean, right? That's one of the most important things I try to show people on this channel. This room looked amazing in the photos on their website, and I purposely even got an upgraded room from the standard. And this place is filthy. I'll just tell you straight up, it's filthy. Every single wall in this place and piece of furniture has scuff marks, scratches. There's liquids that just are just dried liquids on places. There's stains in the carpet as well. The light switches just look like they have dirt all over them. It's filthy, absolutely filthy in this place. I don't know if it's this room specifically or what, but I'm gonna call up and see if we can get a different room, and then I'll show you that room. Maybe that room will be clean, or maybe it's every room that's similar to this. But this place is, even that lamp over there just doesn't work. It's plugged in, just won't work. Maybe there's a bear or a tiger that took a bite into that. But okay. So just another weird thing about this room, it's not necessarily a complaint, but there's this weird window that you can literally just see right into the shower. The phone doesn't even work. There's so many stains, it's ridiculous. There's just one right there. What is that? This weird crack. Oh my god, and there's another piece of tape. Another piece of tape. There's a stain. Okay, take 2. We just got upgraded. Let's check out this room. Just checked into the new room, and it's definitely a lot cleaner than the other one. Definitely better and acceptable. However, it's the same room as the last one, and the woman at the front desk said she was upgrading us. Even though we didn't ask for an upgrade, we just simply asked for a cleaner room. The woman said she was gonna give us an upgrade, a better room. So I don't know why she did that, that's weird. But anyway, we have to run to the airport now to pick up Gustavo. Okay, we just got back from the airport and also dinner, and I forgot to... That's Goose. Hey. He's here. I didn't film when we picked him up because I was trying to pay attention to the road. It took us forever to find a parking spot. A lot of people here. Probably has something to do with the cheap rates they have this weekend. Saturday night, $20-something for the cheapest rooms. That's pretty cheap. Okay, so I think you should be the verdict. The final verdict on whether or not we're gonna sleep here or at my apartment.
I think it's fine.
He thinks it's fine. He thinks it's fine.
Time to go to sleep.
By far my favorite part about this room has gotta be this section of the carpet. Pretty rad. I dig it. All right. Good night, everyone. See y'all in the morning. And it's the morning and we're back. We're about to go downstairs, get some coffee and explore. Let's go. All right, so we just went back to the room to ask for a complimentary, or hoping for a complimentary late checkout till noon. It's about 11 almost, but this is actually the first place that's ever charged for an additional hour of late checkout. Every other place I've ever been to has offered it for free, but the Rio has charged me $10 to check out at noon instead of 11. Oh well, we need the extra time to explore and do more stuff here, so it happens. So Greta's currently showering right now. This room also has the weird window thingy where you could see right into people using the bathroom. So that's interesting. I don't know what they were thinking when they made that. So this place has been the most crowded I've ever seen a Vegas casino since the pandemic. Since I stayed at Flamingo over the summer, and the Rio's much bigger than Flamingo, so that's a good sign. So there's a cool theater slash stage here right in the middle of the casino. Here's the Masquerade Bar, Kino. There's an Oxygen Bar here. So here's the pool area back here. There's another Hash House A Go-Go here. So they have two Starbuckses here. This one's closed, but the other one is opened. So right here is the box office for Penn and Teller, the resident performers here at the Rio. And right here is where the convention center is, all the way down that way. So convention center is over here, but if you come over here, this is the entrance to the Palazzo Suites, which are the very, very nice penthouse, high-scale luxury rooms. So I'm not exactly sure what is behind this door, but I did find out that the World Series of Poker, they have their tournaments at the Rio, so maybe that has something to do with the tournament and the setting up of the tournament. So they have a nightclub slash bar called Voodoo here. It's at the very top of the Rio. All right, so we're packing up now, about to head out. It's almost noon. We did a good amount of touring downstairs. I tried to show you some stuff they have here, at least most of it. They have a lot of great stuff here. This is a really nice place. Even though our experience with the first room was very terrible, this room was actually pretty good. What I will say is that the room looks a lot better during the day. The lighting at night is just bad here. They have very bad lighting. So I think that doesn't help with the vibe of the room. Generally kind of makes it feel a little less nice, but I think for a budget person, this is a great option if you want to have some fun. This place has been packed with people, a lot of younger people too, very friendly people we've come into contact with. But yeah, if that's your vibe, I think it's a good option for you for sure.